Peacocks have always been a symbol of vibrant beauty and pride. Their rich, iridescent feathers inspired this custom piece, especially the deep blues found in their plumes. I used cobalt blue seed beads, silver-lined details for shimmer, and vintage white heart beads to create depth and movement, mirroring the elegance of the bird itself. To begin this necklace, I originally started with a metallic purple and green base, but thought it gave more Mardi Gras vibes than actual peacock coloring. So I restarted my collar with matte green seed beads and began weaving. This piece explores a lush green palette inspired by nature's boldest tones. I used bright chartreuse and silver-lined chartreuse for a pop of light, paired with deep matte forest green and shimmering silver-lined forest green to add texture and richness. Together, they create movement and depth that feels alive. I used one of my favorite patterns, which is an alternating color pattern to introduce new colors, or what I call my ombre effect, which is represented in the AAB BBC CCD code I wrote on the inspiration palette I used. I decided to add a double layer of swags to mimic the bright plumes of the peacock itself. Now sit back, relax, and watch me speed through 3 hours of beading. I worked for a total of 19 hours to complete this necklace, and my friend absolutely loved it. She wore it as soon as I gave it to her, which always makes me beam. It doesn't hurt that someone complimented her on it as we walked into the gem show. That video will be coming soon.